Hi guys, welcome to Seduce Mentors. My name is Ketan and I'm going to talk about Symbiosis JDPI process predominantly for SIBM Pune. Congratulations to all those who got a call from SIBM Pune. I am super duper happy because there are 67 students with SIBM Pune call in Seduce Mentors and we're still counting. Now, it's a fabulous B school, and I'm going to tell you guys a couple of things which will help you to crack your GEP and VAT, and I'm going to give you some ideas also. Now, a 43 years old college established in the year 1978, and to be very honest, I talk a lot about SIBM Pune because SIBM Pune has its own aura. It's a little different. See, there are certain colleges in the country. You really cannot compare them with anything else because they have a different standing in the market. They have a different standing in the industry. For example, you can talk about ABC, you can talk about SIBM, you can talk about NM, you can talk about DFS. These are the B schools. They have something that X factor in them. SIBM Pune, fabulous peer group. People are like really really good and extraordinarily talented out here. Now, coming back to the GP and VAT. One question I've been getting since the time the calls are out, कि sir मेरा percentile बड़ा low है, will I be able to crack it? So I think the lowest percentile this year for SIBM Pune has been 97.50 or maybe 97.55, right? Now the point is that people are scared. I'm just at 97.55. Will I be able to tackle, or will I be able to go ahead of people those who've got 99.50 or 99.xx? Guys, understand this. That's the beauty of SIBM Pune. Once you get a call, it's done and dusted because they have considered you good enough to get qualified to get a call, and you've got a call now. So that 50% thing has already been done. You don't really have to worry about it now. The next 50% is going to be in completely your hand, and they are not going to be looking at your academics. And SIBM Pune, predominantly, whatever colleges that you have in under this symbiosis, SIBM Pune is the college which looks into candidates' profile, which looks into your communication, which looks into your experiences, which actually considers the candidature as a whole, right? So do not worry, even if you are somebody at 97.55. I have seen students cracking SIBM Pune at 98.50 because मेरे ख्याल से this time cut off थोड़े से कम हुए हैं. Last year वो 98.50 पे थे. So I have seen people at 98.4050 cracking SIBM Pune, whereas people with 99.2030 not been able to crack SIBM Pune. So this is the B school, which is predominantly based on your profile, and profile does not mean your extracurricular. Profile does not mean your academics. It means a complete package, right? From your communication, your thought process, your body language, the way you talk, the way you articulate the things, everything is considered out here. Now, your GE, PI, and VAT is going to play an important role because it has 50% allocation. आपका GE it is doable. I wouldn't say that it's going to be really tough. But what I want to make a mention is that your personal interview would matter a lot. GE आप कर लोगे, VAT आप कर लोगे. Anyways, if you're with Seduce Mentors, we anyway going to start with the group exercises from tomorrow. We will be having sessions on GE from tomorrow, so we'll be sorted for that. But what distinguishes somebody who cracks SIBM Pune and somebody who does not is the personal interview. Honestly, your personal interview is going to be chilled out until and unless you give them the chance to take your case. I remember, we had students wherein they got selected in SIBM Pune, wherein the questions were asked predominantly on their personal life, where they're from, and what they're about their native place, what they like, their strengths and weaknesses. Pretty common questions. We also had a student. He was asked, whether he's committed or not. So you might get that sort of questions, but again, the interviews is going to be chilled out, and chilled out का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि you are not going to be serious about it. The panel is going to be chilled out, but you got to be really serious about your interview, and that's the reason the HR questions would matter a lot. How do you answer? Tell me something about yourself. How do you answer why MBA? Is there a clarity of thoughts? Where do you want to get into? Are you a consulting guy? Are you a finance guy? You want to get into investment bank? You want to get into branding? If you look at the placement profile of SIBM Pune, it is a fabulous B school for marketing and HR and consulting also. So you need to have a clarity of thought that where I exactly want to get into. Even if you do not have a clarity of thoughts, please do not tell them the bullshit saying that I will explore. Trust me, this sounds really pathetic because we recently had this sort of an experience wherein students, those who are giving the interviews of SPGens and one of the blackies, which is like I'm quick code predominantly, people are saying that I did engineering, and I did not like it and I'm going for MBA. How lame is that? I mean, come on, how lame is that? You have got a call from I'm quick code, and You are competing with 1,000 people out there and you are giving them the answer like this. Not appreciated at all. You got to show them the seriousness, right? You cannot just walk in there and say that, life mein kuch ho nahi raha to main MBA kar raha hu. No, it doesn't work like that. I mean, you may be a gem, or you may be gem matlab, you may be a very smart chap, or you may be having a lot of accolades on your resume, but at that point in time you got to be serious, because it's a serious business. And most of the time it is not a personal interview, guys. It's a sort of a business meeting, and lot of people, lot of students are not mentored like that. I mean, I would never imagine a student saying MBA, MBA करना है because engineering में या commerce में कुछ नहीं हुआ. That's number one. Number two, if they ask you why MBA, what sort of specialization you gonna opt for, you cannot tell them that मैं explore करूँगा. Explore करूँगा is a very stupid sort of an answer, because explore करूँगा का मतलब क्या होता है भाई? मतलब you do not have a reality check, nor you are serious about your career goals. You are not somebody who is kind of proactive. You cannot really, I mean, come on. I mean, like, if you're an MBA grad and if you're sitting right in front of your client, and if your client has a requirement, you cannot say that, okay, I will explore and I see what can I do for you. No, you got to give him something on the table, right? You can at least say that, I am inclined towards finance, or I have intention to do MBA marketing. Reasons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? At least they understand, how you are actually answering their questions. If somebody asks you what's the distance between Earth and the Moon, right? Maybe you do not know it exactly. How prompt you are, how proactive you are. Do you really kind of do some I mean, like, थोड़ा हाथ पैर मारते हो आप आंसर देने के लिए कि नहीं? ये सब चीज़ें वहाँ पे देखी जाती है. These are the things that people don't know. These are the things that a lot of students do not know, and in a very naive way, or in a very sort of innocent way, people say that मैं देख लूँगा क्या होगा, मैं explore कर लूँगा, पता नहीं, but ये करेंगे वो. Guys, you cannot give your answers like that. SIBM Pune is definitely in top 15 in the country, and you got to show some seriousness. Maybe you are not really sure about the specialization, but you cannot tell them that, right? You got to give them the answer. So this is what we will be doing. Let's have a quick look at the placement. Fabulous placement. 34.26 lakhs per annum is the highest CTC. That's the median package, I would say. This is the highest for HR, and this is the highest for marketing also. For Fides, these guys are a little bit मेरे ख्याल से 34 is the highest package, not the average. Median is round about 18.5, which is still a decent one. But the statistics wise, SIBM Pune is one of the best institute. Finance के लिए इनका highest 20 lakhs है. HR, operations and consulting and marketing के लिए this is one of the best B school that you can get into. Now, if you're somebody who's looking forward for JDPI kind of a training or GPI, we have these sessions. Some of the sessions are recorded, but जो भी recorded है, they are not pre-recorded. They are the live lectures जो हमने Blackie के बच्चों को पढ़ाए थे. You can go through them. I will anyway gonna start having sessions with you all from Sunday. We will be having group exercises. We will be doing some VAT sessions जहाँ पे 2 घंटे पहले आपको topic दिया जाएगा, and then one of the mentor will be helping you to kind of build the content around the VAT. We'll also be doing current affairs with you guys. There will be sessions based on the profile of marketing, consulting, prodman, genman. We will be having conceptual sessions based on marketing, finance, ops and HR, right? So guys, if you really want to get ready for SIBM Pune, I think your interview starts from 18th of this month. You have around about 15 days in your hand, and you can really turn the table around. So one of the biggest opportunity in the life. Do not take it lightly. 97.55 हो या फिर 99.95 हो, does not matter. Everybody has an equal chance if you perform really good in GEPI VAT. I hope this video helps you guys, and that's it from my side. If anybody want to join us, can join us. Click the link above, and you can join us for GDPI sessions. Most welcome to join Seduce Mentors, guys. I'm really happy for those who got a call. Again, congratulations. You've got 15 days. Do work hard and try to convert this college. It's one of the best B school in India, guys. That's it from my side. Thank you so very much.